So I was a first-time home buyer. As a single mom, I just wanted a place for my daughter and I to call our own and just be able to garden and decorate and do the things that we wanted to do there. And then also space, because we were living in a one-bedroom apartment. My daughter was 4 at the time. She wanted her own bedroom, so it was definitely time to buy a home. I love just the comfort and warmth of my home. Whenever anyone comes to visit, they do love it. It's a really cute house, my house, and I just love everything that we have put into it, and our presence, and then the laughter and fun, but also the fact that it is a cute little warm house. So my favorite part of the home buying process was the relationship I got to build with my realtor, and then also just walking into the different homes and just getting a feel of them, or being able to see if that was a good fit for myself and my daughter, and then also the excitement I have with eventually surprising my daughter with this new home. The advice I would give to future home buyers is definitely take your time. Make sure you do your due diligence to find out everything about the home and also who you're buying from. If there are warranties for anything in that home, if something was replaced, if there are warranties, make sure you get all of that transferred into your name if need be. Get receipts for everything. Make sure that you're able to have a paper trail for things that are done in the home. Ask as many questions as you need to. This is your home that you'll be living in, so ask every single question that comes to you. And again, take your time just to find out everything.